Good morning, students. Now let's see modular arithmetic. Modular arithmetic. What is this modular arithmetic? Arithmetic, you know. What is this modular arithmetic? Let me explain this concept by using this clock. Okay, you will understand better. All of you please listen. This is a clock. In the clock you can see numbers from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 12. We use the numbers 1 to 12 to represent a period of 24 hours. 24 hours. In a day, 24 hours are there. To represent that 24 hours, we use the numbers from 1 to 12. How the numbers 1 to 12 can represent 24 hours? Okay, we can ask that. See, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. This is noon 12. After this noon 12, for 13 hours, this is 12 hours. For 13 hours, we say again 1. For 14 hours, 2. This is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, goes up to 24 hours. We are using the used numbers. Okay, again, for this 13 hours, we use 1, 14 hours, 2. So this is clock arithmetic. I can say this is something like clock arithmetic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to 12. We have this. Then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, then 24 hours. Okay? We use the same numbers. Okay, for 13 hours we use 1, for 14 hours it is 2, 15 hours 3, like that. See, in railway timings you might have seen, okay, the train leaves the station at 13 hours. 13 hours means what? 1 p.m. At 14 hours, arrival time, 14 hours means 2 p.m. So it's like that, okay. So this kind of numbers, okay, this kind of dealing with these numbers, that is after hitting a certain value, the numbers get repeated. Wrapping, the numbers are wrapping round about. Okay, here, after hitting this 12, again it is rounding about 1, 2, 3, 4. After hitting 12, again 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. This type of arithmetic is called modular arithmetic. Modular arithmetic. See, we use for 14, we use 2. For 15, we use 3. 14 hours means 2 p.m. 15 hours means 3 p.m. 16 hours means 4 p.m. like this. Okay. How to identify this? See, 14 hours means to after 12, 13 represents 1 and 14 represents 2. Okay, this is the case. 14 hours means 2, 15 hours means 3, 16 hours means 4. Like that, okay. Wraps around these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So we are using the used numbers again and again, repeatedly. Okay, this type of arithmetic called modular arithmetic. Modular arithmetic. And here again, another important fact I need to tell you. Here we have only 12 numbers. So this is modulo 12 numbers. Modulo 12 numbers. What are the modulo 12 numbers? See, in the clock, in digital clocks you might have seen, in the 24th hour means midnight 12. You cannot see the other 12. See, 11 hours, 59 minutes, 59 seconds. The next will be, you will see like this, 00, 00, 00. This means this is 12 midnight. It is 12 midnight. So after 12, it starts from 1, 2, 3. It won't show, digital clocks won't show that 12 or the 24 hours, it won't show. Okay? So here, generally, we take like this. Modulo 12 numbers means it starts with a 0. 0 means that midnight 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the mod mode 12 numbers. 12 numbers will be there, but that number 12 you cannot see. Okay, it is 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. These numbers are, these clock arithmetic numbers are mod mode 12 numbers. These numbers are. Okay, 12 means it becomes 0. 13 means 1. 14 means 2. Okay, 15 means 3, like that. I can tell you like this. See, 14 hours means it is 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. 15 hours means it is 3 p.m. So mod mode 12. That is, when you divide this 14 by 12, divide this 14 by 12, you get 1 time. The remainder is 2. This 2 is here. This is how we calculate this model of 12 numbers. After 11, the 12 won't be there. So after 11, 12 means we divide by 12 1 time. The remainder is 0. That's why here it is 0. We divide by 12. Some numbers are equal to 12 and more than 12 means divide the numbers by 12 and write the remainder. Okay, the numbers will be repeating. So 12 means we divide the 12 by 12, remainder is 0. 13 means we divide 13 by 12, the remainder is 1. 14 means divide 14 by 12, the remainder is 2. Here this is 16. 16 means 16 divided by 12, the remainder is 4, like that it comes. Okay, this is modular arithmetic. So this can be written like this. See, 14 is congruent to 2 mod 12. This is modular arithmetic way of writing. Okay, modular 12 numbers. So here, the meaning is when 14 is divided by 12, the remainder is 2. When 14 is divided by 12, the remainder is 2. Then you can write 17. 17 congruent to 5 mod 12. Mod 12. Mod 12 numbers. So 17 means 5 o'clock. This is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 5 p.m. So how will we get that one? So 17 is congruent to 5 mod 12. Here you remember mod 12 numbers means it starts with a 0. 0 means 12. In the clock arithmetic it is called midnight 0. Then starts with the 1, 2, 3, 4 like that up to 11. So this way you can write 14 is congruent to 2 mod 12. 17 is congruent to 5 mod 12. That is 14 when divided by 12, the remainder is 2. This has some close relationship with that fundamental theorem of arithmetic, okay? Or that Euclid's. We shall compare both, okay? Here 14 is congruent to 2 mod 12. Or you can write 14 is equal to 12 into 2 plus it's not like that. Fourteen is congruent to 2 mod 12. See, the Euclid's arithmetic here we write A is equal to BQ plus R. A is equal to BQ plus R. So here we can write for 14 and 12. 14 is equal to 12 into 1 plus 2. See, this is the remainder. Remainder 2, so here also this is the remainder. 14 is equal to A is equal to BQ plus R. So 14 and 12, we compare. 14 is equal to 12 into 1 plus 2. The divisor is 1, quotient is 1, remainder is 2. That remainder we write here. 14 is congruent to mod 12. Similarly for 17 and 12, we write 17 is equal to 12 into 1 plus 5. This 5 is here. Okay, that is a close relationship. But when Euclid's and this modular arithmetic. Okay, another example I will tell you. the days of a week. What are the days of a week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, Sunday, for Sunday we use the number 0. For Monday it is 1, Tuesday it is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. After 6, okay, you know these days will be repeated, week after week, these days will be repeated. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then after Saturday again Sunday, Monday. So there also. After repeating this is Saturday, the days are repeated. That is modular arithmetic. Again the numbers are repeated. And we assign some numbers for these days. For Sunday it is 0, Monday it is 1, Tuesday. The Sunday we take rest. We assume like that. We take rest, so here it is 0, nothing is there. Then Monday, the first day of the week, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are called the modulo 7 numbers. Modulo 7 numbers. We say modulo 7, but no 7 will be there. 7 means it again becomes 0. 8 means 1. Okay? So this is again 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like that it goes. Okay? So 7 means 0 and 8 means 1. What is this 8? So 8 is congruent to 1 mod 7. They are modulo 7 numbers. What is the meaning? When 8 is divided by 7, the remainder is 1. So 8 corresponds to 1. 9 corresponds to 2. That means when 9 is divided by 7, the remainder is 2. When 10 is divided by 7, the remainder is 3. So in modulo numbers, we have to, suppose in modulo 7 numbers, if you get a number equal to 7 or greater than 7, divide that number by 7 and write the remainder. Okay? You will get the correct value. So this is modulo 7 numbers. And then we have this. You know, finger arithmetic is also there. Finger arithmetic. What is that finger arithmetic? There this is, okay? Here. Finger arithmetic. This is the thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and this is the little finger. Okay, we know all these fingers. So here the thumb finger, for this thumb finger we write it is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb finger starts with 0. So these numbers are called modulo 5 numbers. Modulo 5. Modulo 5 numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5 will be there. So 5 means what? Divide 5 by 5, write the remainder. 5 means it becomes 0. 6 means divide 6 by 5 and write the remainder. 1. Like that. The numbers get repeated. Okay? So this is modular arithmetic. I hope you all might have understood this. Okay?